implement a very strong platform. On the next slide, trends in retail banking. What are the regulations and compliance? So IFRS 9, Basel 2, Basel 3, CAD. So across the geography, different banks has different regulations and compliance to keep eyes on the banks, to run the banks in a better way. Demographic changes. Due to social media, due to the mobility of job, people's demographic information are changing. Changing customer and consumer behavior. Customers take over control, ROP, plus pay model. Everything is site and mobile. How to analyze this consumer behavior? What are the different analytical approach to analyze consumer behavior? We will talk further in the next couple of slides. But due to this behavior of consumer, there are lots of data. There are lots of data to analyze those consumers. And if you don't analyze, you are going to be failed. New entrants into banking market. Vodafone, Google, PayPal, and retailer. Earlier we used to visit to the shops and purchase the things. Now there are Flipkart, there are PayPal, Google, everything. We can do on the net. We can do everything on net. We are doing lots of things on net. New technologies like iPad, social media, e-money, and NFC. These are the things which are making people enhancement using internet, mobiles very rapidly. Due to that, 24/7 access of the mobile and internet making people busy and generating huge number of data, which is going to convert, and we say that we'll have a zettabytes of the data. What are the challenges for banks? Banks are facing lots of challenges nowadays due to industry regulatory challenges. The constant evolution of local and international regulation is a major driving force in bank and securities industry. The likely introduction of Basel II, Basel III standards as example. We had Basel I around 90s, then Basel II came into 2002-3. Now Basel III has been come into the market. Why we are getting upgraded version of regulations? Because it means banks are not using the data sources in a better way. They are not able to track the consumer's record, customer's record. They are not able to fulfill the gap analysis, and that is the reason why banks are not able to predict the kind of risk, profitability, and capital money in a better way. And that is the only reason we are coming up with upgraded version of the regulations. There is likely to be an increased focus on capital efficiency. Introduction of new oversight rules and bodies may also have far-reaching implications for the industry. Implementing all these rules can be an issue. Its real challenge is more about optimizing regulatory investment than merely compliance. Industry offering operational efficiency challenge. To appropriately address strategies and regulatory challenges, impeccable execution is a major deal. Constantly improving operational efficiency has to be high on the agenda for bankers. So, question is that, is IT department of bank is ready to govern these solutions? Is IT ready to access this opportunity of multi-level data? No. That is the challenge for banks. To implement, to have a strong capability, software and IT team. The next couple of challenges for the banks are very big. They can even not think if that will happen, what will be the solution? Suppose in 2020-25, Google comes with an idea that he is going to open a bank. If LinkedIn is going to open a bank, Facebook is going to open a bank, Twitter is going to open a bank, what would be the bank will do? Because these Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter had ample customers. They are more far away in terms of the customer's information. They have trustful customer information. They have 100 times greater customer than a banks. So if Google, which is God on the earth, everybody use Google. Everybody has at least Gmail accounts. If Google is going to open a bank, it's a far away. No banks can compete with them. In fact, if we see a couple of days back, a bank in India, even Subba Rao, who is governor of RBI, has launched a new scheme that even corporates which has 10 years of solid balance sheet, they can open a bank. Now you can think, Deloitte, 160 countries operating corporate is going to open a bank. What would be the challenge for banks? So bank is not even facing the data problem, the implementation problem. They are very afraid if Google, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter is going to open a kind of financial corporate or banks, what would be the solution? For that, banks need to concentrate on IT solutions, strong IT capabilities with big data uses to come up with a kind of very upgraded and new version of analytical solutions. What are the failures of our banks? Fail in